Oh. Okay, how do I open this now? Confused. Oh my god. I'm going to learn this word. Stop it. Oh, this was a cover. But then it's that's why it's very important. Let's see. Okay. Oh my god, look at that. Look at that. Oh my god. Get maneta. Look at her. Wow.
2,000 years later.
Ninjas, it's another day and I want to quickly show you what I got yesterday. Ooh, this has to be my favorite, okay? This has to be my favorite purchase. So I got these shoes from Mrprice, okay? Because I don't have cute shoes anymore, so I was like, so look like good. Guys, look at her. She's so beautiful. I really like black shoes, okay? So simple, and what I love about these shoes is that they are so comfortable. They are so comfortable, okay? And they also have this, so they are not like flat in a way that if you walk like more than 1 hour your feet will start hurting. So I really love them. They're so comfortable, guys, and they were 139 rands, okay? So affordable. Let me check. Yes, 139 rands. I love them. Can't wait to rock them. I think I must get another pair because I love them. So I think I should get something that has glitters, but that looks like this, gold and glitters, okay? Because I love bling, okay? That's the only thing that I got from Mrprice. And the reason why I went to the town is because I wanted to get like nail products, okay? So I'm about to try again, okay, my business, my nail business. So I've been I was like practicing, like I was always practicing, making sure that I improve because I was not happy with my work. So I got some few products, and yeah, man, and some new brands, okay? So I got this for like 20 rand. Oh my god, it's so expensive. The reason why I say it's so expensive is because I did order, okay, but I didn't check out at Shein. Like this thing at Shein costs like 10 rand or 15 rand, and you get like 5 of them, okay. So 20 rand is expensive because like, yeah. So the reason why I didn't check out is because I have to like order more than 800 items, and I didn't have that amount, okay. So, and another thing is that I have clients soon, so I couldn't wait for a week, okay, to get my products. So got this for 20 rand, and I got these tips, okay. These are the stiletto ones. They are pre-shaped. I think if you are not beginner, you need to invest in buying pre-shaped nail tips because they save a lot of time and just make things easy for you. So I got this one in the way like 25 rands 99, 24 rands 99, sorry. And I've got another tips. I do have tips at home, but I just wanted to one. This one are my favorite because they're like C-curves, but they didn't write here. But when you look at them, they're like C-curved and square. Yeah, almost square. So I love them. So they make things easy for me. They're like 70 rands. And I got another brush. How much was this? I don't remember, but it was expensive compared to online brushes. I don't remember the price. So this is the brush in the size, maybe size minor, size, of course, I think it's size 10. Yeah. I can see the size here. And the next thing that I got is this S-tone. Wanna set some sorry guys. I've never bought this brand before, but because it's like S-tone, I didn't mind, okay. So got this S-tone for how much? It was around 50 something rand or 40 something rand. Let's see, I don't see the price here. And something that I don't use, and I got this monomer from Planet Nails. Like they also sell it at China Mall, so they order it from Planet Nails. When it comes to monomer, I don't use other brands because monomer you cannot use other brands. When it comes to gel, you can, you know, you can cheat and like use cheaper products, but when it comes to monomer, always use the original one. I wanted to buy a big one, but it was so expensive, and I was so sad because online it is cheaper. With 140 you can get like the 500 grams one. This one is 100. It's what can be, how many grams is this one? I don't see it right. My eyes are problem. Yeah, I think this one is 50, and it's also not the MMA product. So you know, if you are not tech, you must not buy products that are MMA because they're not good for clients. And I got this top coat. It's a UV glass clear from dollz. So I hope that it shines. I've never used it before, but I did ask someone and it's good. I also saw it online, so hope that is good. And I got filers, okay, temporary filers. I wanted to buy in bulk, so I'm planning to buy in bulk online. So it was five rands each. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Got this. And the next thing I got is, what is this? It's a primer. I don't know this point. The reason why I didn't buy the original one from Planet Nails is because they didn't have it, and Planet Nails is very far, okay. So yeah, this one. And the next thing I got, I bought 2 top coats, okay. I got a top coat again just to compare, okay. And also I bought the Planet Nails glue. Also with glue I only buy from Planet Nails because I don't wanna risk, okay. But there was this time around I tried a glue that you use for your, what is that glue, and it worked and it didn't damage my nails. It's a home glue, like you use it for cupboards and boxes. I used for my nails because I ran out of nail glue and it was so perfect. And I also got this. I've never used this brand, so today I'm going to review it. The Beauty Senses acrylic powder. So this one is baby pink. I love it. She's so beautiful. Okay, looks like that. I don't know if you can see, but yeah, it's so beautiful. It was how much? I think it was 65 or 70 rands. And last product I got this. I also got Dusty Pink. They're not the same. You might think that they look the same, but they don't. So I got this. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And I also went to the grocery shops and just to get some products. I mean, to get some food items, some snacks, you know. So right now I'm going to do my nails, okay, because I want to review the products, okay, before I use them on clients, okay, on a client. So I'm going to review them and I'm going to do my nails. I'm going to cook, and yeah, let's do that. Let's do that.
Ago, go, ago, hallelujah, oh, go, 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 oh, so